Hey folks, today I'm going to share with you a secret that's going to elevate your roast potato game to a whole new level. We're talking about bay-scented smashed potatoes. Yes, you heard that right. The humble potato is about to get a gourmet upgrade. Now I'm sure you've all had your fair share of roast potatoes, but have you ever wondered how to add a new twist to it? Imagine this, crispy on the outside, fluffy on the inside, and infused with the aromatic goodness of bay leaves. Your taste buds are already excited, aren't they? Let's dive into the story that inspired this recipe. I was wandering through a farmer's market on a sunny Sunday morning, and there was this little herb stall with the most amazing smell wafting through the air. It was bay leaves, fresh, fragrant, and utterly inviting. I bought a bunch and started experimenting. So here's what you need. Grab some baby potatoes, those small ones that fit perfectly in the palm of your hand. Give them a good wash, but don't peel them. The skins add a lovely texture. Toss them into a pot of salted boiling water and cook until they're just tender. You can test this with a fork. It should slide in easily but not break the potato. Once they're done, drain them and let them cool for a bit. Now comes the fun part. Smashing. Take each potato and give it a gentle press with the back of a spoon or a potato masher. You don't want them to fall apart, just flatten them slightly. Next, lay them out on a baking tray. Drizzle generously with olive oil, and here's the magic touch: bay leaves. Scatter fresh bay leaves all over the tray. The heat of the oven will release their oils and infuse the potatoes with that beautiful aroma. Season with sea salt and freshly ground black pepper. Into a preheated oven they go at 200 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. You're looking for golden, crispy edges and a lovely, fragrant aroma filling your kitchen. Trust me, the smell alone will make you drool. When they're done, take them out and sprinkle a bit of freshly chopped parsley for a pop of color and a hint of freshness. Serve these bay-scented smashed potatoes as a side dish or just enjoy them on their own. They're that good. There you have it, folks. A simple yet extraordinary way to bring something new to your table. Perfect for a family dinner or impressing your friends at a weekend gathering. Give it a try and let me know how it goes in the comments below. Until next time, happy cooking.